Today I am discussing a topic that is the living world, class 11, biology, chapter 1, NCERT Exercise Solution, part 2. In my previous video, I was already discussed the living world, part 1. If anyone missed my previous videos, then visit my YouTube channel, Educational Support. A link of these videos are given in my description box below. So go for it and subscribe my channel. Welcome back once again in your biology class. Myself Nowsin and you are watching Educational Support. So let's see the topic, and it's my request, please watch till the end of the video. So the question number 7 is, can you identify the correct sequence of taxonomical categories? So the answer is, the correct sequence of taxonomical categories is species, genus, order, phylum. Question number 8 is, try to collect all the currently accepted meaning for the word species. Discuss with your teacher the meaning of species in case of higher plants and animals on one hand and bacteria on the other hand. You know that species is the lowest taxonomic category. It is a natural population of individuals or group of populations which resemble one another in all essential morphological and reproductive characters, so that they are able to interpret freely and produce fertile offsprings. So each species is also called genetically distinct and reproductively isolated natural population. In higher plants and animals, the term species refers to a group of individuals that are able to interpret freely and produce fertile offsprings. But in case of bacteria, interpreting cannot serve as the best criteria for delimiting species because bacteria usually reproduce asexually. Conjugation, transformation, and transduction, which are termed as sexual reproduction methods in bacteria, also don't correspond to true interbreeding. Thus, for bacteria, many of other characters such as molecular homology, biochemical, physiological, ecological, and morphological characters are taken into consideration while classifying them. Question number 9 is, define and understand the following terms: phylum, class, family, order, and genus. So first is phylum. Phylum is a category higher than that of class. The term phylum is used for animals. A phylum is formed of one or more classes. For example, the phylum Chordata of animals contains not only the class Mammalia but also aves, reptilia, amphibia, etc. In plants, the term division is used in place of phylum. Next is class. A class is made of one or more related orders. For example, the class Dicotyledone notochord of flowering plants contains all dicots which are grouped into several orders or presence of in mammals. Next is family. It is a taxonomic category which contains one or more related genera. All the genera of a family has some common features of correlated characters. They are separable from genera of a related family by important characteristic differences in both vegetative and reproductive features. For example, the genera of cats and leopard are included in the family Felidae. The members of family Felidae are quite distinct from those of family Canidae. Next is order. So the category includes one or more related families. For example, the plant family Solanaceae is placed in order Polymoniales, along with 4 other related families that are Convolvulaceae, Boraginaceae, Hydrophyllaceae, and Polymoniaceae. Similarly, the animal families Felidae and Canidae are included under the order Carnivora along with Hyinilidae and Eurasity. Next is genus. So it is a group of related species which resemble one another in certain correlated characters. Because a genus may have a single living species, for example, genus Homo, and its species is Homo sapiens, the living or modern man. For example, lion, tiger, leopard are classified under genus Panthera. Number 10 question is, how is a key helpful in the identification and classification of an organism? You know very well that key is an artificial or analytic device having a list of statements with dichotomic table of alternate characteristics. So taxonomy keys are aids for rapid identification of unknown plants and animals, which is based on basically the similarities and the dissimilarities. So the keys are primarily based on stable and reliable characters. The keys are helpful in a faster preliminary identification, which can be backed up by confirmation through comparison with detailed description of the taxon provisionally identified with. Number 11 question is, illustrate the taxonomical hierarchy with suitable examples of a plant and an animal. You know that the arrangement of a various taxa in a hierarchical order is called taxonomical hierarchy. The hierarchy indicates the various levels of kinship. The number of similar characters of categories decreases from lowest rank to the highest rank. The hierarchical system of classification was introduced by Carolus Linnaeus, you know very well. So this table represents, or this table depicts the taxonomical hierarchy with wheat as an example for the plant and the animal or the humans as an example for animals. For watching, thank you for your support. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and click on the bell and turn on the notification, because it's very important for you, because every single time when I release a video, there's a chance that you will see it on your homepage. So tata, bye bye, see you in the next video.